Guys, we just we're part 2 now. This reminds me of Crossbase. Where's the tall, scary guy at? He's right behind you guys. I'm kidding. If you see something, just scream. Watermelon and I'm kidding. Oh, we're back up. We're going back up. He's right there! Watermelon! Lucky died. That's crazy. Wait, where's some? Run for it! Run for it! But no, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta make it back to the safe zone. No, come on, come on, come on. No, too bad. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, he got a heart attack, I think. I'll wait for you. Oh no. We just saw the monster, bro. We're still in the same area. I don't know where the guy is. I'll see him. Okay, he's right here. Yeah, bro, I'm getting permanently jump scared. Yeah, I'm permanently just stuck jump scared, so it's end. Until I leave. I got kicked out. No, I'm joking. I just left. Yeah. Guys, I got a 0 on my alphabet test. I put A, B, C, D, J, K. I don't know any words. LOL. MLP, QR. Nah, bro. Let's do something else besides plays. We haven't done run. It's just probably. Yo. Oh, I know what this one is. There's like a FNAF animatronic in here, like running around the place, and so this is basically like maze. More scary, but animatronic version. If you hear footsteps, you should start running. Oh, look, light. Nope. Can you guys? Lucky, you go first, bro. Go first. Lucky will be our sacrifice. Okay. Wow, we made an Uno reverse bag. Let's just go. Wait. Thought that was an animatronic for a second. Alright, let's go talk to him. Did you say lotion? No. No, it is. Yeah, it literally is copyright. Alright. Let's go towards this light over here. Wow, we're... Alright, next part, and it's gonna be in like 1 minute. I turned my light off. Now I turn it back on. I turn it off and I turn it back on. I'm kidding. Yes, there is. We just haven't explored everywhere. Okay, then why did Benjamin Franklin see a foot in the wall? Come on, walk faster, bro. Which way? Left or right? I just don't know what way I was. I just wanted some random way. Lag spike. There's a lag spike. It's weird game like lags out, but he's right there. Yeah, Mr. No Monster. All right, next part in 3 seconds.